Hi, if anyone have a old Demorest sewing machine laying around and don't know how to use it, and especially don't know how to thread the shuttle, okay, this machine have a vibrating shuttle which is go in a semicircular arc like that. So what I do is, okay, let me set the camera down so we can demonstrate it. Okay, so this is the boat, the shuttle body there. That's what it looks like. So we have this not a lot of thread left, but still enough for us to demonstrate. So make sure that when you hold it with one hand, make sure the thread is on the top of the spool. So, and then what we do is we just drop it in there. Okay, just drop it in there. Make sure it's seated correctly, and then have that hand, have your left hand finger hold it, and then pull it to that hole. Okay, pull it all the way back here, and then it's gonna catch to that hole right there. And there we go. That's it. It does everything by itself. So make sure it's not too tight. Okay, if it's too tight, whoa, what was that? Sorry. If it's too tight, you just release the, just release the screw just a bit and feel it until it's not too tight. Okay, and after that, you put it in the machine. Put it in the machine like so. Okay. Pull the top thread out. Not too long, not too short. Make sure it's not too tight. If the top thread is too tight, just trying to release the pressure plate up there. Okay, release that bolt right there. So now we can bring up the lower thread to the top. This is how it's work, right? Go like that. You can see that it's catching right now. Okay. And here it is. There. Got the lower thread up. Okay, perfect. Nice and smooth. Put back the plate here. And now the machine ready to sew. And this is how you thread the top thread. So there, go to the front of the bolt there, have that screw there, and go underneath the pressure plate right there. Here we go, and go to that slot there. Go to the take up lever. Okay, and then go down here, and then when you go down here, you just bring the thread, go behind there, and then it will automatically go inside that slot. Okay, and then we go down here, go to that right there, and thread to the left, to right. Okay, and go underneath the pressure plate, and that's it. Pretty simple, huh? Okay, make sure before each time that you use, make sure oil it. Not too much oil though, a couple drop, 3 drop. Okay, yeah, right there, right there. oil hole. Where is it? Right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah, maybe some right there if you want. Okay, and of course, oil the bottom. Flip it up and oil some mechanic part down there. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching today. Thank you.